Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5079391 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to pause the update. So open Windows settings, then go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause option. You can hit pause over here. Now this may take some time. Now once paused, now click on resume updates and then try to install the update once again. Sometimes a simple pause and restart works. So you can pause and resume the updates and then check. Still not working. Type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down somewhere at the very bottom. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Then make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Make a right click on background intelligent transfer service. Click on restart. Now scroll up, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Then make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can go back to Windows, and if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. Now still not working, then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then you can copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser and then you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079391 over here, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. In my case, it's version 25H2. So check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option and then check your system type. For me, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, the right update is Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download. And over here you will see KB5079391. So click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, then open Windows settings once again, go to Windows Update and then over here go to advanced option, and here you can see recovery. Click on recovery and here the option is fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take a time. It will take some time. And once it is done, you have to restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected over here. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. This will take some time, and once the installation is done, restart your computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.